Hey, eighth graders. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you got some rest and got to enjoy some good food and time spent with family. So 3 more weeks till Christmas break, you guys. We can do it. Hang in there. Let me show you what is going on this week. For the week of November 30th through December 4th. Here we are. November 30th through December 4th. On Monday, you're going to take your pre-test on our next unit, Geometric Relationships. I have given you a video to watch before you go to Tuesday's lesson. So we're going to start looking at the Pythagorean theorem. So you'll learn about what that is. A theorem is something that has been proven to be true. So several hundred years ago, a guy named Pythagoras developed a theorem about right triangles, about how to find the side lengths of right triangles. And so you will be using the Pythagorean theorem the rest of this week. Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll look at applications, which basically means real world problems, word problems. And then Thursday, you're going to look at Pythagorean theorem on a coordinate plane. And then I am going to make a review video for the week, and that's what you will look at and go along with me on Friday. I will send that to you. But first, let me go into these lessons. I can scroll down here and find what I'm looking for. That's it right there. All right, so you're going to start with the pre-test. You don't have to know anything about this unit yet. Just I want to see what you know right now. So just do your best. It never hurts your grade, so don't worry about it. Like I said, before you start listening to or going through the lesson on, isn't that cute? Tuesday, you're going to watch this fun video.
Hi, I'm Rob.
All right, so he'll tell you all about the Pythagorean theorem. And then on Tuesday, you'll go through the lesson, you'll read all the information, you'll look at the practice problems, write them down, try to solve them yourself, and then check your answers, watch the videos that come along with the lessons. And then this is what I want to bring your attention to. On Wednesday, you're going to use the Pythagorean theorem with real word problems. Uh-oh, I clicked on the wrong one. Hold on. All right, here we go. So we're looking at a baseball diamond, talking about the distance between home plate and second base, looking at different scenarios with three-dimensional figures. So you are looking, reading, working out the problems, going through all of these practice problems, looking at three-dimensional objects, looking at if you have a ladder that's 9 feet tall and you lean it on the house. The question is, if she's placed the base of the ladder 6 feet away from the house, the question is basically how far up on the house will the ladder be lying? So if you continue on through page 7 of 7, it's going to show you that you are have a project, okay? So you can still access that and you can read about it and you can do it if you want to, but I didn't really like the project. So I took out that assignment for the project and I created my own. So if you'll hit next, if you'll notice the title of this section is the same as the lesson you just went through, same date. So basically it says print this practice sheet or write down problems on a piece of paper. Look at my work and answers and answer the problems marked with an asterisk. You're going to type in your answers, round each answer to the nearest hundredths. Some 8th graders don't know how to round properly. If you don't round properly, you will not get the right answers. And then I remind you, if you're rounding to the nearest hundredths, You look at the number in the thousands position. In this situation, it's a 6. A 6 will round that 3 up to a 4. So you will type 112.04. If your calculator shows 95.1225, the number in the thousands is a 2. Well, a 2 doesn't change the number in front of it. So you would type 95.12. Now, when you type your answers, make sure you do not use anything but the number and the decimal. That's it. So you're going to open up this PDF. And I have done half the problems. So I've done problem number 1, showing you my work. And then number 2 is very similar to number 1. You're going to do number 2. I did number 3. You're going to do number 4. You have an example right above it, and it has all the work written for you. I did number 5. You're going to do number 6. I was supposed to do number 7, but I did number 8. So those are backwards. But on the quiz, you're going to answer number 7. All right, so there's 2 pages worth. So even though there's 20 questions, you only are going to do 10 because I did 10 of them. Okay, so you have to print this out. You're going to do the problems that I did not do, but for every single problem, there's one very similar to it already worked out for you. Okay, so let me close this. How do I close this when that is sitting on top of it? All right, so anyway, so once you do that, you're going to hit begin quiz or whatever, and it asks you, what is your answer to question number 2? And I'm reminding you to round to the nearest hundredths. Don't type any word. So don't type that the answer is 95.62 meters. Don't write the M because I didn't enter them that way. I only entered the number. Okay, so make sure you don't put anything else. So that's how you're doing this. You're answering number 2, number 4, number 6, number 7, number 10, 12A, 12B, 13, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, so that's how you're getting your points for Wednesday. So then you go back and do Thursday's work, which is Pythagorean theorem on a coordinate plane, and then I will have a video for you count it as your classwork on Friday, even though of course you don't have to wait till Friday. It would actually help you. It'll probably help you do Wednesday and Thursday's work as well. All right, you guys. So that's it for the week. Next week, we'll start out with a little review, and then you'll have your mid-module check, and then we'll continue on with this unit, and then we'll have a test the following Monday or Tuesday, I believe. All right, guys, if you need me, let me know. I will see you guys soon.